Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, my dear friends, this is a reading for no contact and current feelings of your person. If you're in separation with your person, then this reading is for you. Alright? So, this is going to be a general reading. So, let us see what messages do we have for you guys. Okay. You could be dealing with the Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. Alright. It is Leo, Sag as well. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This could be your energy or your person's energy, okay? Alright. Empress card at the bottom of deck. Alright, so it seems that you are trying to be in your power, okay? And you're becoming stronger. And now you want to move on. You have gathered that strength to move on, okay? Third party involvement can be there for some of you, okay? Something has definitely ended here, okay? That can be a cycle with this person, okay? But there is lots of emotions, lots of love for you, okay? But your person, he does want another chance with you, okay? But it seems that you're trying to move on. Some kind of betrayal is definitely there. Okay, number 7 is significant over here. Some kind of betrayal is definitely there. Third party involvement can be there, okay? Or he might be hiding something from you, hiding some kind of secrets from you. Or if your person is with the third party, then that cycle is ending. I think so, okay? For some of you. Yes, definitely there is a lots of love and there can be a new opportunity for some of you. You will get, okay. Okay. Yes, for some of you, this relationship is karmic. This relationship was fated. Means you meant to meet this person in this lifetime, okay? Definitely you will hear from them unexpectedly. Very quick communication will be there. For some of you, there will be marriage offer, okay? New offer will be also there. And okay, yes, this person is thinking about coming forward and how to come forward, because in the past there was some kind of deception. He was hiding something from you. Third party involvement was also there, so he was cheating and hiding something from you. But now he has realized that, and now he wants a second chance with you. He does have lots of emotions for you. This person, he has not moved on yet. He's still thinking about you. Okay, and he's just trying to gather that strength to come forward and talk to you, okay? But he does have lots of offer and he want to offer his cup of love to you, okay? So there will be speedy communication from this person. Definitely you will hear from them, okay? Or you might be at a distance from them. There is a completion. He might be at a distance from them, might be at different place from you, okay? Yes, he does want a family with you. He might see you as his family, your person. Okay, when he'll come back, when he'll come forward, for some of you, there can be some hidden plans, some hidden agendas. So just try to see that. Okay. But yes, this person is passionate about you, and um, Queen of Pentacles is there. So you might have focused on yourself, on your career, your money, your all your materialistic things. You might be focused on yourself, your career, your growth. Okay, and now when you have gone, this person realized your worth, your value, and now he wants you back. That kind of energy is there, but he might have some hidden plans, so be aware about it. Okay, there will be speedy communication and some kind of definite news from this person. For some of you, this could be a relationship that started fast and ended fast. Short-term relationship, this could be for some of you. Okay, and let us see some more messages for you. Okay, getting to know each other. Okay, yes, new opportunity is definitely there. The same card came twice, so definitely you will have two opportunities. Same opportunity from the last person and new opportunity from different person. Okay, so this is trying to treat yourself, retreat yourself. Okay, give time to yourself, give some time to relax, do some things that you love. Okay, pamper yourself and stay optimistic about your love life. So if you have some bad experiences in the past, it doesn't mean that every experience will be bad. So definitely you will get good experiences in life as well, because where there is a bad, there is a good, right? So reconciliations card came. Wow, for some of you, as I said, there will be offer from the past person as well, and offer from the new person as well. So it depends upon you what you want. Okay, wait. Okay, so you have to wait for a while. All right, let me get some more messages. Okay. Yes, okay, it's a definite yes. So remain positive. So just don't think negative, just think positively, because you will attract only positive things if you think positively. Okay, and be assertive. Same message came twice, so just think positively and you will get what you want. Okay, just be positive. Okay, and let us see some more messages. Okay, it's February, number 10, number 11, winter season. This might be your birth date or your person's birth date. October, number 1, 4, 8, 9, and April. Okay, I think it's 6. Okay, 6 in December. So this could be your or your person's birth date, and or the time when you met your person for the first time. Okay, and let us see what few more messages that we have. Take a leap of faith and go ahead. So if you're thinking something, if you're planning to do something, any job, new project or something, just have trust in yourself, have faith in your abilities and go ahead. You will definitely get success, but you have to give your 100%. Okay, I'm afraid to speak up. So your person is afraid to speak up. Okay, and he definitely knows that he already hurt you a lot. I have moved on in my life. Please go ahead. Okay, this is for someone that he has already moved on in his life and he wants you to move on as well. You know your worth, right? Have patience. Something is better for you. Okay, so definitely God has planned something better for you, and definitely when perfect time will come, you will get that. Okay, don't try to control the situation. It will unfold naturally. Okay, your absence is killing me inside. So this person is still thinking about you, and your absence is still bothering this person, right? I still have feelings for you and nobody knows about it. So your person is still thinking about you and he still have feelings for you. Okay? And he's still missing you even if he is not saying it. So law of attraction. So okay. So stop chasing something, okay? Give some space. If this person is yours, he will definitely realize your worth and then he will come back, okay? So you need to give him a space. If you have already worked on this relationship, if you have already given your 100%, then wait, okay? Now it's their turn to work, okay? Because it should be always two-sided, right? So let them work now. So have some patience, and if this person is yours, definitely will come back. So yes, same card came twice. So there are chances that there will be a communication from this person. Passionate communication will be there, or for some of you, some kind of communication will be definitely there. That might not be the same that you want, like some heart-to-heart conversation. That might not be the case, but yeah, some kind of messages you will hear from them. Virgo card at the bottom of deck. Sorry, 5 of Cups at the bottom of deck, and Hangman and 10 of Wands. So yes, this person is still grieving, still is still thinking about you, still crying. Okay, he is not looking at these 2 cups. He is not looking at what he still have. He is just thinking about the losses. But he is still burdened about it, still thinking, and he's still stuck. So he will make his mind, and yes, he will come back to you, and some kind of communication you will hear from them. Okay, so still stuck and confused kind of energy is there. So friends, this was a reading for current feelings of your person, general reading it was, and after this I'll again do pick a card reading, okay? Because I do this short readings because some people they want short readings and some people they like pick a card. So I'll do pick a card as well. So next reading I'll be doing pick a card reading, and I hope you like this, and if you like, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.